My goal is every single time I give someone a jacket, like they feel like that's their cape.
Okay. Did a little something, so let's see his expression on it. You know what I'm saying?
No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last. No, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat the come up and they pray that I don't crash now. I pray that I last. Now I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Today is I'm not gonna say a special day, but it's a day. It's a day for sure. Gonna go see Uncle Skoob. We're meeting him at Duval High School, which is insane because I actually really wanted to go to Duval High School when I was in high school, you feel me? All my friends, my brother was in Duval, my sister was in Duval, everybody was in Duval. They said, nah, Lee, you gotta go to Blade. I was so upset. I was so upset. I wanna get his live reaction of how the jacket looks. We're gonna do a little collab video, you know, see, you know, just for me to break down and explain the jacket and stuff like that. You know, look at it, just looking all nice back there. I'm excited. This is literally the first complete jacket that I've done in literally 2 years. I don't know if you guys understand the weight of that. Like like the Hunter x Hunter jacket was already halfway done. That's like one of the last jackets that I was doing when I stopped painting. The jacket I got on, I painted this last year. Yo, I'm just really excited to get his reaction on it. I hope he likes it. I feel like he'll like it. I hope it's not too out there or too like, I hope it's not a reach off of his like brand, you know what I'm saying? Like I hope it's still like he can relate to it, you feel me? I don't want to give him something and it looks nice, but it's not something that he's like, it's all right, you know what I'm saying? I want him to like, my goal is every single time I give someone a jacket, like they feel like that's their cape, you feel what I'm saying? Like me personally, people be like, oh, it's 90 degrees outside, why you still got a denim jacket on? I'm not saying wear your denim jacket 90 degrees weather, but I'm saying like, when I put my jacket on, I feel like a superhero, you feel me? It's like, it gives me confidence, like, from like, my confidence go from like a 0 to like 100, you feel me? It just hits different, bro. I'm trying to tell you. And I just want everyone to feel like that. He said, just text him. Pull it up. He said he's 3 minutes. I went from excited to nervous. I'm 90% sure he's gonna like it. I'm not sure if he'll be able. I'm 50% sure he'll be able to relate to it. And it's not if you can relate to something. It's how fast you can relate to something that judges like, is really something like that's like, you know, like something that you can connect with on a deeper level type thing. We're gonna see how it goes, bro. We're gonna see how it goes, bro. Yo, bro. I didn't even know you went to Duval. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. It's my alma mater right here.
Bro, man. I feel you. My brother went to Duval. I wanted to go to Duval so bad.
Well, you got on looking sweet.
Bro, I made this like literally last year, bro. I made this joint last year. I got yours joint right here, bro. Right here.
I'm excited, bro.
So when I figured out you went to Duval, I did something. Did a little something. I did a little something. So let's see his expression on it. You know what I'm saying?
Not the lady, like the mother nature right here.
Yes, sir. How much tree produce fruit?
Bro.
Got Skoob on the top of this type.
Damn.
You feel me?
Well, this might be my everyday jacket. Hold on.
Yo, if anything happens to it, bro, let me know. I'll come retouch it up, whatever, bro. Whatever. Dang, bro. Sheesh, gotta get a little something for yeesh, bro. That joint looks sweet, bro.
I appreciate you, bro.
That joint looks sweet, bro. Bro, I appreciate you, bro. I'm trying to tell you, this is the first jacket that I painted outside in a year, literally.
For real?
So I stopped painting for a minute. This was the last jacket I completely painted. I painted one more Hunter x Hunter jacket. Yeah. And I literally just finished it. I was halfway done it. Why'd
you stop it?
I got caught up with like work and stuff. I got a little bit depressed, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, you know, stuff like that.
So you love painting for real?
I love it, bro.
Man,
I love it.
That's good to do something you love, bro. Keep doing it, bro. Don't stop, bro.
Bro, you gave me motivation to keep going again. So it's like, bro, I'm gonna just see where it takes me, bro.
Yeah.
So, bro,
let it take you wherever it need to take you, bro.
For sure.
I'm telling you, bro, you can do this, but you can do this for other people, like, you know what I mean?
That's what I'm thinking
bigger than me, or
that's what I'm just
sell
like,
this custom jackets. Like,
here's the thing, though. Like, that's why, like, I don't think I'm gonna sell it. I think I'm gonna just keep on doing it for like just different people. Yeah.
And I can open doors for something else. Yeah.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Cause it's like cause at first I was like a couple years ago when I was doing it, I was getting paid great for it too. It's great money. But it's like
every single time I get paid for it, I didn't feel like.
It started to feel like a job.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't want it to feel like a job. Like when I had so much fun painting your job, bro. Like I was like, dang, bro. Like I could do this, I could do this, I could do that. He cheesing hard on the way.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This how I live, bro. Become a tree, man.
Bro,
produce fruit. Got the lovely black queen on there. You feel me? What made you put the black queen on there?
Bro, that's everything I do, bro.
I appreciate you.
All right, y'all. As y'all see from his reaction, he said he rocked with it. He loved it. So, bro, big shout out to Uncle Skoob, bro. Definitely, bro. We gonna see where it goes. We gonna see what everything it does. You feel me? I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Yo, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me who y'all want me to paint for, and tell me what you guys want me to paint. Those two things. That's your homework assignment. Do it now. Like, bro, you're still, if you're still here, do it now. Please do it now. Now don't get in the comments and be like, oh, I want you to paint for Beyonce. How am I going to paint for Beyonce? I do not have that type of PR marketing. It's just me. I'm a one-man army right now. But if you be like, oh, there's a local artist, you know, he got like 10K followers, you just paint for him, or oh, you should do this, blah, blah. Give me someone realistic in the DMV, or it's not even in the DMV. Give me someone realistic that I can paint for, that you guys want me to paint for. So that's your homework assignment. If you don't like it, I would like it. I would really appreciate if you guys liked it and subscribe. But if you don't like it, and if you don't subscribe, comment and tell me what you want me to paint, and I will paint it. Tell me who you guys, and if you don't tell me what you guys want me to paint, tell me who you guys think in the DMV, or just, you know, another local artist maybe in your area that you want me to paint for. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, you guys don't have to tune in, but you guys decided to tune in anyway. I don't know why I feel like one day I'm gonna get annoying to you guys, but until that day I get annoying to you guys, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's see where this goes. We just having fun on, like I said, we still just having fun on this channel. We not doing anything. We just having fun. So like, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let's get to it. On Granny.
No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last, no, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat the come up and they pray that I don't crash now.